Pay attention, this is great stuff. So we went to the store yesterday and I found this Unstoppables by Fabreze, and it's in the scent of Air Breeze or Breeze. I'm not sure if it's both or just the one. And I really love the smell. It's kind of a takeoff from the Gain scent that we just love in our family. And in order to make this go further, I had this great idea. My mother-in-law got me this ceramic infuser, I guess they call it. And you put scented oil around it, and then it soaks into the clay of the flower. And then it lasts even longer than if you were to spray it into the air. So I'm going to try it now using this. I'm just going to spray it down generously. It's going to soak into that because it's oil-based, and it will be filling my craft room with beautiful scent for a really long time. I hope this works. I hope you like this tip, and I hope you try it too, because this scent is amazing. Bye-bye now. Okay, so this might be my shortest video of all time. It's a DIY tip that I want to share with you all, and it's amazing. I love this stuff. So I discovered a new scent. Why are you upside down? Okay. Hi, everyone. Let's do it now.